Fuel-efficient 25 mpg highway/20 mpg city. Excellent condition, great miles 37,952. LX trim. Satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, head airbag, black, seat trim, volcanic red, aluminum wheels, clean auto check report. See more. Key features include satellite radio, iPod MP3 input, CD player, aluminum wheels, MP3 player, privacy glass, keyless entry, child safety locks, electronic stability control. Option packages: volcanic red, black, seat trim. LX with volcanic red exterior and black interior features a 4-cylinder engine with 140 horsepower at 6,000 RPMs. Clean auto check report. Experts are saying Edmunds.com's review says good value compared to competition. 5-star driver front crash rating, 5-star driver side crash rating, 5-star passenger front crash rating. Great gas mileage, 25 mpg highway. Approximately original base sticker price, $19,700. Visit us today. The Davidson family has been involved in local business and in the local community for over 50 years. Having grown to 7 franchises, a pre-owned supercenter, and 2 state-of-the-art body shops. The Davidson family has been and will be a member of Central and Northern New York for years to come. Come visit us and you will understand what we mean by the Davidson difference. Pricing analysis performed on April 11, 2013. Horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Fuel economy calculations based on original manufacturer data for trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.